I'm guessing this used to be the old 2-car garage. So kitchen looks like it's missing the front of the dishwasher. Oh, this place is a real mess. Not really sure what this room. Oh, there's a toilet way back there. So I guess it's a bathroom, but it could be a laundry room. And then up here, this attic that could be finished off for something else. Because it goes all the way around. Wow, it goes way back. So this could be really, really cool. Probably can't see anything. There's a lot of space up here. Probably have to run its own AC unit. But this could be a really cool finished space. All right, heading back down these really steep stairs. There's a handrail. All right, heading back through the kitchen. This place needs a really good cleaning. So this must be like the dining area. Tell you what, it looks much better in the pictures than it does in person. So, good thing I came by. Here is a bedroom, closet. Here's your view. It's all wooded. Here's the old laundry room. So I'm guessing this is like the master bath. You could redo this and move this laundry back to that one weird room that has the toilet back at the back corner. And then here, man, this place is a dump. Here's another bathroom. So 2 bathrooms, each has their own. I think they abandoned their cat in this house. So basement, it's musty, but could easily finish it. All the insulation's coming down. It is a walkout. There's 2 doors. There is a fireplace down here too, with a litter box in it. Why not? Right? Okay. So that's the back. It's definitely private. Though you are on 231, which is the main road that takes you into Greencastle. That's the only downside, maybe, is just there's no garage, and that's how close you are to traffic. All right, let me know what you guys think.